Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. First of all, open your Amazon application on your phone. Once the app is opened, you have to select on the user icon on the bottom left corner. Click on it. From here, you have to select your account section. Click on your account on the top. From here, you will see a list of options from which you can select any options. You have to scroll down a bit until you see Manage Gift Card Balance. Click on Manage Gift Card Balance. From here, you have to select Redeem Another Gift Card, or if it's just written as a Redeem Gift Card, you have to select this option. From here, you will have two options: scan your claim code or enter your claim code. From your Amazon gift card, you will see a code which is called claim code. Either you can enter the claim code on this section and click Apply to your balance, or you can select scan your claim code, which will open your phone's camera, and after that you can scan your Amazon gift card. Once scanned, your gift card will be redeemed and it will be added to your current balance. And that's how to redeem an Amazon gift card. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.